G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is March 4th, 2023. This is the natural gas price update. We did draw these two support and resistance lines previously, and we did say in the last update that it's broken up through this support line, and it did bounce off this resistance line for a number of hours at least, and it reached the 61% retracement level on the larger time frame in this point. Now, overnight it has actually broken through that resistance, and it's actually resting on the 78% retracement of that larger retracement we drew on the hourly chart. So I'm going to remove that resistance line, so there is no resistance at the moment showing up. The next level of major potential resistance may be this descending trend line. You can see that on a daily, 4 hourly, and the hourly. So just the price may get to that point, and that will be a 23% retracement on this larger time frame on the daily, which equates to on the smaller time frame from that high to that low, it's sitting currently at 78% retracement. So just be mindful of that. It's actually broken up, and I've drawn this extension. It's broken up beyond the 200% where it was last time. It's broken up through that. So I'm going to remove that just to clean up the chart a bit. So yeah, that'll be the next level of potential resistance, is this diagonal descending trend line. So just be mindful, the hourly is still showing a bullish movement, and it's broken up through on the 4 hourly. The CCI is broken up through the moving average of the CCI moving average. But just notice that again, as I said last time, it's still a pretty strong downtrend as shown by the CCI. We want to see it close the gap on that daily at least, and be more confident breaking above this 23% level on the daily, and then eventually breaking through this diagonal descending trend line to be more confident. To understand how to properly trade using the average down process, reference the playlist at the end of the video, and also some links in the description below.
Here are some of my investing rules. Buy proven blue chip stocks only, avoid speculative stocks. The reason for that is blue chip stocks have generally got a good history and a good track record, and you want to avoid going speculative because you're not sure where that stock, especially if it hasn't got any history, you want to avoid making just guesses or gambling on potential trades. Buy stocks which pay dividends. The reason for that is if the price goes against you and you're not closing out according to gaining a profit in the short term, at least you're getting some level of income via dividends if the stock price goes against you. Don't short positions, go long only. So again, similar to the blue chip environment, if you're going to go short, you're basically speculating, and if you are going short and if you have to pay dividends, the dividends will be paid to those traders that are going long. So that'll be just an extra cost in your trade. And don't trade on news. Price is already factored in the share price. If all the insiders have generally benefited from any inside knowledge of the news, and so by the time it hits the websites or the papers, you're getting late on the bus, so you're going to be missing out on any potential gains. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button, and click the notification bell to get all the updates to the channel. If you want to support the channel, subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing, and speak to you in the next video.